Are you ready to secure your financial future in 2025? In this video, I'm sharing the top 5 in-demand skills you need to start earning serious money. These skills are not just trends, they're game changers that can open doors to limitless opportunities. So whether you're looking to boost your income or start a whole new career, this is the video for you. Let's dive in! Skill number 1: Artificial intelligence and machine learning. The AI revolution is here, and it's not slowing down. Companies worldwide are investing heavily in AI to automate processes, analyze data, and drive innovation. By mastering AI tools like TensorFlow or Python programming, you can position yourself as an indispensable asset to any organization. Plus, AI freelancers are earning thousands of dollars per project on platforms like Upwork. The question is, are you ready to ride this wave? Skill number 2: Digital marketing. In 2025, businesses will rely even more on digital marketing to stand out in the competitive online space. Master skills like search engine optimization, social media marketing, and content creation to help brands grow their audience and boost sales. And here's the kicker: digital marketers who specialize in niches like AI tools or influencer campaigns are in higher demand than ever. This is your chance to be the expert they're looking for. Skill number 3: Cybersecurity. With cyber threats on the rise, companies need professionals who can protect their systems and data. If you can learn ethical hacking, penetration testing, or network security, you'll have companies lining up for your expertise. Bonus: cybersecurity certifications like CISSP or CEH can boost your earning potential by tens of thousands of dollars a year. If you've got a passion for tech and problem solving, this is your ticket to a lucrative career. Skill number 4: Content creation. Content is still king, but in 2025, creators who know how to engage audiences with short-form videos, podcasts, and storytelling will dominate. Whether you want to start a YouTube channel, grow a TikTok following, or produce high-quality reels for clients, this skill can turn creativity into cash. And the best part, you don't need fancy equipment to start, just your phone and a willingness to learn. Skill number 5: Web3 and blockchain development. Blockchain technology isn't just about cryptocurrencies anymore. From smart contracts to decentralized applications, Web3 is revolutionizing industries like finance, gaming, and supply chain. Learning programming languages like Solidity or understanding how decentralized finance works can make you a highly sought-after professional in this cutting-edge field. The future is decentralized, and it's waiting for you. So there you have it, the top 5 skills to earn money in 2025. Now it's time to take action. Pick one skill that excites you, start learning today, and unlock your financial potential. Which skill are you most excited to master? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. The future is yours to create, make it count.